Hi, this is Gary with Aldan American. Today I want to show you something that we are offering on our website. This is the John Currie Currectrac trailing arms. So the lower arms are a billet aluminum. They have a Johnny joint that goes to the front side. They have the original locations for a stock style sway bar. At the rear, it's a urethane bushing that has flutes on the inside so that when you grease it from the bottom, it gets greased throughout the entire bushing for periodic maintenance. The upper arms are adjustable. We have this adjuster in the middle. It's a left and a right hand thread. So at the front frame side, we have this Johnny joint. This is a forged housing with the spherical bearing on the inside with a grease fitting so that you can maintain it and grease it. So at the rear, we have the bearings that go into the axle housing. So this is also a Johnny joint, and what's nice about it is no binding. The rear suspension is going to move around and do exactly what it wants to, but it also will keep the rear end centered in the car like it's intended. The rear bearings also have these bolts that have got grease fittings in them. So what's nice about them is you can grease the bearings so it stays good and squeak free for the lifetime. These trailing arms are made for the 68 to 72 Chevelle because the upper arms are a little bit shorter on the 68 to 72. We also offer them for the 64 to 67. They're a little bit longer to fit just like the factory arms did. And what's really nice about these arms is they locate the rear axle so that it doesn't move around. It has a lot of articulation. The axle moves freely without any binding. Great for drag racing, great for autocrossing, and excellent for a street car. It is a great upgrade for your 64 to 72 A-body GM car. For more information, check us out at aldanamerican.com.